Filming. There we go. Full on. Nearly.
Let's see what flame is with. I don't think so, no.
No, it's nearly out actually.
I think both of them are gone.
Yeah.
He's running on whatever pressure's left in the engine.
Yeah. That's a bad leak. There's the pressure. Look at the sea burning.
I wonder if it's leaking out of there. Where you screw that in, I wonder if that's supposed to make a seal.
No, it's coming up this end. So I know that squirts for the piston's going backwards. So it's when it's pushing it this way, coming in behind it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can we hit that metal cover off?
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll let it run until the fuel runs out, but it's running in anyway, so... Anyway, it's making a nice sound. You can see puffs of steam coming out the bottom there, so that's a proper chop-chop. With realistic chopping sound. I like the change in the noise.
Yeah. Does it move?
It would move, I don't think... We can't because the flames are on the...
Oh, of
aren't in
course.
it properly.
You haven't got a...
Yeah. Feel like power. No past traction engine. Oh, safety valve's lifting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Putting on the other one now.
Yeah.
I think it's got the smoke alarm in a minute.
Yeah. Push the door shut, actually. starting up the gas burner when it comes, it'll be controllable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that on later. Woohoo. Right, it's going nicely, so I'll just sit there and watch it. Go.
I need to put the end of that greyish.
Oh, I've seen it run. So, you built it, well done. And I'll sort out that leaking cylinder.
Yeah.
I get plenty of it running, like, because I actually run like the noise it makes, so
Yeah.
it probably won't make that sound. It probably won't even run that slow when you fix it. So unless they look nice going slow, I'll run it in on the just tick it over like that, and then
What's wrong with that leaky cylinder though?
well, they won't run the generators like that because it's effectively only firing at half. That piston's double acting, so it pushes forward then pushes back again. It's not pushing back because every time the valve opens, it just blows steam out underneath. So it's running in half an engine at the moment.
Yeah. These two, we want to get that running to generate the lights in the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, what should the A34 be like?
Oh, it'll be flat with white lines down the middle. I have no idea what it'll be like this time. Given it's a Saturday though, it's probably not too bad.
No.
Yeah, and weather's not that brilliant, so people will be inside playing with their steam engines.
I don't know.
Yeah. We started off with a third boiler full and it's still got water in it.
Yeah.
Just so. Very first one of these I had in childhood, I wrecked because I forgot to put water in it.
Yeah.
It was just a non-moving engine, but I remember that bit there, the pipe came out and melted.
Yeah.
And I couldn't understand why that bit melted, not the rest of it. Of course, I now realise it was soldered in.
Huh.
And all it needed was a bit of soldering to fix it, but I didn't know that when I was about 7.
Yeah.
So I ended up playing with it as a non-working model.
Huh.
Never did get it fixed.
What happened to it in the end?
Oh, I wouldn't know.
Maybe you get rid of it in the end.
Well, it probably got moved on with a toy sort out, but again, I would have been too young to know what had happened to it. Maybe my dad or someone would have chucked it in the jumble sale.